The nice silly Goose emergency nurse Honk if it's an emergency t-shirt is an excellent choice for anyone with a playful personality, especially those in the medical field who want to show off their sense of humor. Featuring a quirky and fun design, this t-shirt captures the essence of emergency care while adding a touch of lightheartedness with the bold, attention-grabbing text, "Honk if it's an emergency." It's perfect for nurses, paramedics, or anyone who enjoys a little humor in their daily routine. The design brings together a unique blend of professionalism and amusement, making it ideal for casual days at the hospital, medical events, or simply hanging out with friends. Nice silly Goose emergency nurse Honk if it's an emergency t-shirt. Tank top, V-neck, ladies' tee for men and women. Stay fun and amp, fierce in our nice silly Goose nurse tee. Perfect for emergency room laughs. Stay stylish and funny in our nice silly Goose emergency nurse t-shirt. Honk for help. Show your playful side with our nice silly Goose emergency nurse tank top. Honk if it's urgent. Stay cozy and fun with our nice silly Goose emergency nurse hoodie. Honk if it's an emergency. Stay cozy and quirky in our Honk if it's an emergency sweatshirt, perfect for silly nurses. What nice silly Goose emergency nurse Honk if it's an emergency t-shirt. This t-shirt even better is the material, made from 100% cotton. It promises a soft, breathable feel that is comfortable enough for long shifts or day-to-day wear. The fabric is lightweight yet durable, providing an excellent fit that doesn't compromise on style or comfort. Furthermore, the t-shirt is manufactured in the United States, ensuring high-quality craftsmanship and ethical production. Whether you're a nurse or just a fan of quirky, fun designs, this t-shirt is an excellent way to stand out and express your playful side while enjoying comfort and durability. Other product